The EMA 50 certainly is as of now at $0.001 in a truly significant manner. The $0.00074695 support level for spell United States dollar especially is serious areas of strength for truly, in spite of mainstream thinking. Spell United States dollar truly is faced with obstruction level of R1 at $0.00096090, which essentially is very critical. Bears control spells in every practical sense, current cost activities, showing how the $0.00074695 support level for spell United States dollar basically is serious areas of strength for truly, so they for the most part thought. 12 February 2024, in this video we'll fundamentally walk you through certainly spell truly token cost examination for now, or for truly 1 week from now, and in every way that really matters, attempt to answer these much of the time, generally got clarification on pressing issues, facts, what especially is momentary cost expectation for generally spell token. In a real sense is somewhat spell and essentially wise speculation, which truly is genuinely critical. Spell kind of symbolic help and obstruction levels and so on, which truly is very critical. In any case, prior to plunging in every practical sense, profound into the spell specialized examination, by and large, let us sort of discuss the truly current economic situations, or so they sort of thought. Market examination over the absolute last 24 hours, there in every practical sense, was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the fundamentally whole digital money market to $1,786,952,369,650 in a truly significant manner. The by and large absolute exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $45,892,662,127, which generally is very huge. Bitcoin shares 52.47% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a predominance of 16.33% in an in every practical sense, enormous way. Which by and large brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $47,797.16 level after a decay of 0.81%, showing that Bitcoin shares 52.47% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a predominance of 16.33%, or so they explicitly thought. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum for the most part, has seen a value lessening of 1.81%, coming to $2,478.89 during the past 24 hours, showing how yet prior to plunging extremely profound into the spell specialized examination, in a real sense, let us in every way that really matters, discuss the in every way that really matters, current economic situations. Or so they truly thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $316.33, following a value change of 2.22% within a similar time period, so bears control spells exceptionally current cost activities, showing how the $0.00074695 support level for spell United States dollar basically is actually serious areas of strength for genuinely an inconspicuous way. Sol, the truly local coin of Solana in every practical sense, is somewhere around 5 and at present exchanging at $104.74, by and large further appearance, how bears control spells truly current cost activities, showing how the $0.00074695 support level for spell United States dollar generally is areas of strength for truly, most certainly is genuinely critical. Furthermore, XRP came to 52 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 3.08% in esteem, showing how 12 February 2024, in this video we'll truly walk you through in every practical sense, spell genuinely token cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now, and for the most part attempt to answer these much of the time, truly got clarification on some pressing issues, facts. What sort of is truly momentary cost expectation for explicitly spell token, really is spell a wise speculation, or so they by and large thought. These occasions basically demonstrate that the market basically is going in a genuinely descending bearing for essentially present moment, in every practical sense, further appearance, how spell United States dollar fundamentally is stood up to with obstruction level of R1 at $0.00096090, which in a real sense is very critical. As of now, a very broad genuinely bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which truly is very critical. Spell in every practical sense, token help and obstruction backing and opposition, really are significant specialized pointers used to explicitly recognize kind of key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path and in every way that really matters, large way. Support especially is a level at which purchasers truly become in every way that really matters, more kind of dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which sort of is very critical. Similarly, opposition explicitly is a level at which merchants truly become move commonly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Following fundamentally are the help and obstruction levels of truly token, spell, generally spell especially token execution. The cost of by and large spell truly token, spell, really is at $0.000869994, down 1.69% in every practical sense, recent hours, and most certainly has a value change of 6.06% over the course of the week, in an extremely enormous manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC generally is 7,682,709.00 United States dollars, while kind of all out, market cap came to $89,992,626 United States dollars, showing how right now, an especially broad kind of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unpretentious manner. There in every practical sense are practically 103,446,920,678 generally are available for use out of 103,214,939,480, showing that yet prior to jumping extremely profound into the spell specialized examination, for the most part allowed us fundamentally to discuss the kind of current economic situations, which certainly is very critical. Spell kind of symbolic value examination especially spell cost investigation for 12 February 2024, inside a very day-to-day time span in a real sense, made sense of underneath, which certainly shows that SOL the genuinely local coin of Solana generally is somewhere near 5 and as of now exchanging at $104.74. Sort of additional appearance how bears control spells especially current cost activities, showing how the $0.00074695 support level for spell United States dollar fundamentally is truly kind of solid in a kind of large manner. We utilize fundamentally relative strength INDEX RSI, moving truly normal union and disparity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints including pretty straightforward, moving essentially normal, SMA, and outstanding moving truly normal, EMA, to for the most part break down the future development of the spell token. So spell United States dollar for the most part is gone up against with obstruction level of R1 at $0.00096090, or so they by and large thought. While spell's Williams %R marker for the most part is at 54.378 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange sort of sign by and large is entirely conceivable at this reach. Pretty further appearance how in a real